Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. I'm Jeel.
good evening. I'm Kunal.
How are
Nice to meet
you?
you. I'm doing good. Thank you
Great
for
to meet
asking.
you too. No
How
problem.
about you?
Amazing. And how did your day go?
My day, my day was quite good. You can say.
And what was the best part of your day?
My best part of my day was actually mm, I'm not sure, but
Lunch break?
lunch break. No, not lunch
No.
break exactly.
Okay.
You can say. Actually, I went for my. Uh, actually, I went to a bank for some work.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was busy in that.
Ah, okay. Okay. Never mind. What is your biggest goal in life?
Biggest goal. My goal means I don't have exact goal. It
Okay.
changes every time. You can say.
And right now, what are some of your short-term goals that you don't mind sharing with me?
Okay, short term goals. Mm, I want to become a singer.
Ah, very nice. Which other kind
Yeah.
of what kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy Bollywood music,
Uh-huh.
melody. You can
Uh-huh.
say
Uh-huh.
that's it. And I
Oh,
also love to hear English songs.
listen to English songs.
Yeah, I love to listen English songs.
Do you memorize them?
Yeah, I memorize them.
Very
Mm,
good.
yeah, for example, I love one song which is you can say quite a famous one of Michael Jackson, mm, which is "Heal the World." I love that song very much.
Yes, heal the world.
It's one of my favorite songs, you can say. And
Ah,
mm, "Broken Angel" and Maroon 5,
ah.
"Girls Like You" and "Memories."
Even I like these two songs, Girls Like You and Memories. Both
And
are very good.
they are very very good, you can say.
True, true, true.
One of the best composition of Maroon 5.
Agree.
Yeah, and Shawn Mendes, I don't remember one song which is quite famous.
Senorita?
No, not Senorita. I don't remember that song.
I forgot. I know one famous song. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
but it's also it's very famous. And one more other that "Love Me Like You Do." That is also I love that song.
Ah, yes, yes. Christina.
Yes,
Oh, very well.
so yeah, I love all these songs, you can say. And also I love the Backstreet Boys with these songs which are very famous. "Show Me the Meaning of Being Lonely" and "One Love."
Yes,
I think
both
both are
are
very
hit
very hit
songs.
songs. So yeah, I
True,
love
true,
this
true.
kind of
Evergreen,
evergreen
evergreen
songs,
songs.
which can't be. You can say every time we listen, means they are. Means it feels that they are not old. They are evergreen.
Yes, 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 they are. And you don't get tired and bored of
We
them.
don't get tired also at the same time.
True, true, true. Even I really enjoy listening to all of these songs. I've heard all of these and I listen to them quite often. And it's really good that you listen to English music because it's a great way of pronouncing,
Yes,
especially when
pronouncing.
you
Yeah.
memorize. A good
Yes.
way of learning good new words,
At the
maybe.
same time, we also get confidence by
Yes,
listening to the music. You can say.
true, true, true.
See now I am talking with you with full of confidence. Why? Because I memorize means what you have said, right, about songs. That's the reason I can able to relate you. What you're trying to say to me. Yeah.
I am able to relate to you.
Yeah. Relate you. Yeah.
Ah, very good. I'm glad that music is, helping you to learn a language.
Yeah.
It's a fun way of learning.
It's a funny of learning, you can say.
Ah, very well. Have you always been fond of music?
Yes, I've always been fond of music
Huh?
because every time in my office also, means, my friends used to tell me, "Kunal, please sing one song." So I used to sing one song in my office.
Oh, that's very
Yeah.
nice. Okay.
Actually, I got confidence by this thing only, by music only. I can means, before I was introvert person. I
Okay.
don't used
An
to talk
introvert.
much. Yeah, introvert. I don't used to talk much in my college days. I was very shy of talking in front of other people. So I was not confident. You can say I was not full of. Means I was not confident enough to speak in front of people. But now I can speak. I can sing in front of millions and crores if you want. I can speak. I can sing. I don't have fear.
Oh, so music has been able to eliminate your public speaking
Yes.
fear,
Yes. Yeah.
fear of public speaking.
No, I'm not a
Wow.
public speaking, but now I can say that I'm a confident now.
Mm.
Yes,
Ah,
I don't
that's
mind
great.
if I'm saying any correct if I'm not means, doing mistakes also. I don't mind.
Okay.
I'm happy that at least I can speak right. I'm happy. Means
True.
I'm happy.
And you can express everything that
Yes,
you are thinking.
yes, I can express.
Okay, that is great. So, since how long has this been helping you, music, giving you the confidence?
Music, it was helping me since you can say 5 to 6 years. Last
It
5 to 6
has
years
been helping
has
you.
been helping me. Yeah, after college only.
Oh, okay, very well.
Because in college days we will be busy in studying and all those things stuff, right? So we'll not get time. But in office time, we need to communicate with the people and we have to do everything.
Mm,
So yeah,
okay, very well. I'm happy that it's really helping. And these singers, if they come to know this is the difference they're making to your life, they'll
yes,
be really happy.
yeah, really, it's a true factor. You can say
True, true.
music can change any person life, right?
Yes,
Within a span of life, yeah,
completely agree with
completely,
you.
yeah.
And are there any instruments that you particularly like?
I really like, you can say, guitar, but I don't know how to play that. I always try, but I fail. But I want to try really hard. I want to
Okay,
practice it.
okay. They say
Guitar.
that guitar is one of the easiest instruments to learn.
Yeah, but for me, it's a kind of complex thing. I don't know why other people think that it is easy.
Only the initial 6 months are very complex, but
Okay.
compared to any other instrument, guitar is the easiest.
I think why the people say guitar is easy because if you practice it hard and with the patience for I mean, instantly, for instant, for example, if you are practicing it for 1 2 months with full of dedication and hard work, then it is very easy for you. You can say after one or month, after 2 months, you will say it's like a piece of cake. You can say
6 months,
6 months. Yeah,
6 months, 1 year.
means the people who have good catching power, they can able to play a well instrument within 2 3 months.
They would be able to
Yeah, they will able to play.
ah,
It depends upon the catching power. We can say dedication
grasping.
and focus. Yeah, grasping power.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very well. Okay. Do you think that parents should help children set their goals? Like, do you think your parents should have told you, hey, Kunal, you should have become a singer?
Parents, they always advise us only a good thing,
Correct.
but they don't have the knowledge about this field, right? So we should make them believe that in this field also we can make career.
Correct. No, there are some people,
Yeah,
they tell their kids, become a doctor, become an engineer, you have to study, do MBA. Little pressure is there on the kids
yes,
these days.
yes.
Do you think that is good or is that bad?
I think it's a both thing, good or bad.
Okay, why?
Why means obviously parents would want their children to be set in their life,
Correct.
but the children they don't like that profession. They want to pursue another career. So it has both the sides.
So
If the children is able to convince their parents, then it is good for both of them. You can say
if the
like a
child is able to,
yeah, mutually understanding. Then it will be a
hmm,
good thing.
Okay, so what is more important, passion or money?
Passion.
Okay, why?
Because why? With passion we can earn a lot of money. Yeah, I think that.
Okay, very well. And
Yeah.
uh, does having a goal in life actually help you becoming more successful, in becoming more successful?
Yes, it helps
How?
because our focus will be on that thing only. If you means set a goal, right? So our focus will be on that only. So
Does
we
it
can able to
does it
achieve.
motivate us?
Yes, it motivate us to do more. Means to be better and better day by day. Means, to give our best every time. So
Correct.
it motivate us. Yeah.
Do you think as you get older, you're going to have lesser and lesser goals? You won't be very motivated to do something. Do you think that's true?
No, I don't think so because the KFC owner. You know that story, right? So he was
No, I'm
successful in
sorry.
a old. Yeah. So I don't think age matters.
Okay, okay.
It's a mindset, you can say. It's your soul
Hmm.
and mindset.
Okay. Do you
Because
think,
nowadays the people say 20s are 30s.
oh,
Yeah. So I can relate that thing.
okay. You think you're going to always have the spirit to do something in life?
Not always, but we can try.
Okay,
It is in our hand. So we can try that thing.
very well. Do you personally have any goals that are unrealistic? You feel like, oh, it won't happen.
Uh, I think that I could be a billionaire one day. But I know
Okay,
it will not happen. I know that.
okay,
But I can.
okay.
I think that I should be that owner of that company, right, which is very successful and which is very earning billions in year. So I think that I think I should be the owner, but I know it's not possible. It is not possible.
Oh,
It's like a fantasy, right?
yeah, right, right. Okay. And which of the goals have you already achieved? Like, say, for example, 10 years back, you would have thought, okay, I should achieve this, I should get this job, or I should pass this exam. Anything like that that you have already achieved?
Yeah, yeah. I've already achieved. I thought. When I was in college, I was thinking if I get a job, I can help my family. So I got a job. Now I can able to help my family.
I am able to. Oh,
Yeah.
that's really nice. Since how
Yeah.
long?
Since I'm working since 2015, you can say.
Okay.
And I also did my MBA along with my job, you can say.
Wow. Okay. There's quite a few things that you have
Yeah, I
achieved.
managed very well with both the things, job and office, because there was
Okay.
no person in a family there was no member in a family. Means I was only
You were the
I was
earning
only
member
person
of your
member of the
family.
family. I was earning
Ah, so
at the time.
you've taken
Yeah.
up the entire
Yes.
responsibility.
I also have elder brother, but I started my career very early.
Oh,
I have took
so
a job after finishing my degree. Only I have took the job to
okay,
support my family.
that's amazing. And
Yeah.
what motivated you to do this? Start a job at an early? Were you afraid? How was it? Did you set goals? Were you
No, I have
determined?
not. No, I have not set. Have not set goals. My only thing, my means in my mind, I was only thinking, means I want to help my family. That's it.
Ah,
I was not thinking about my goal. I was thinking if I'm able to help my family, it will be a biggest achievement for me.
hmm, okay, that is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes.
Congratulations. I
Thank you
wish you
so
well
much.
even for your future.
Same to you. Thank you.
And which of the goals do you hope to have achieved by the time you're 60?
Uh, uh, by the time of 60, I would say I could be in a good position. You can say millionaire or billionaire.
Okay, okay. You want
Yes.
to earn a lot of
A lot
money
of money.
and
Yeah.
be
It can be
financially stable.
financially. Yeah. It can be any field.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Is there any new skill that you would like to learn?
New skill. Currently, I'm going for taekwondo classes.
Wow. Oh,
Yes.
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great to see the spirit in you. You do
Yes.
different things
Because
and
I'm doing a lot of different things. Yes.
yes,
At least
yes.
I'm trying, right? I believe that we got only one life, so we need to try different things.
Wow. I really like your optimistic
Thank
attitude.
you.
It's very motivating and it's
Thank you.
good to see somebody so spirited.
Yeah.
So, okay, great talk and good that you are confident while speaking. Try to concentrate a bit on your tenses, okay?
Tenses. Yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
sometimes, and bit of sentence
I
structuring as
totally
well.
agree. I totally agree with you. I will definitely work on that.
Okay. Anything that you, any doubt that you have, you want me to clear, you want me to help you with?
For now, I don't have any doubts. But I
Okay.
truly thank you for giving me the positive feedback, which is I think which is gonna help me to improve my English. You can say. Thank you so much.
Yes. So keep, since music is your way of learning,
Yeah.
maybe music, try repeating after the singers. When you listen to some interview in English, try repeating after them aloud.
Okay.
The more you speak aloud, the more it starts registering in your brain, even subconsciously. Sometimes
Subconsciously.
you may not use the words immediately. Someday you will, or
Sure,
you would
sure.
have heard it. Okay.
Yes.
So try that. Try reading one page from a book a day. Don't burden yourself because I know
Sure.
you're working and doing a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah.
One
Sure.
page, short.
Okay.
Maybe a newspaper article aloud.
Article.
Okay. It'll help you with your fluency. It'll help you with
Yes.
your sentence formation. It's very important when you're working to have good language,
Yes.
good words, better
Yeah.
words.
Better words.
It's always good to improve, right? Even if you
Yeah.
speak well, improve, improve, improve.
Improve. Yes. There is always a scope of better improvement. You can say
Yes,
every time.
yes.
Yeah.
I
Agree
am
with you
still
totally.
studying. So after 20 years of English, so you know it's a never-ending process.
You have heard that means we are always a learner, right? So we should not
Yes,
stop learning. I agree
true.
with that. It's a true fact.
Yes, yes, very good.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like your attitude towards learning different things. It's
Yeah.
brilliant.
Thank you.